Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed mixed on Friday with the Nasdaq closing up, while the SP 500 and the Dow Jones, they both closed down. Now, the pharmaceuticals, biotech, and life sciences, food and staples retailing, as well as retailing sectors, each one of them, they were the best performers on the day, while utilities, consumer durables and apparel, as well as consumer services, those sectors, they were the worst performers of the day. This all as 71% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged on Friday. Now, after the markets closed, American Airlines plans to raise $3.5 billion in shares and notes to strengthen its balance sheet. Also, we have Walmart, which was upgraded to buy over from neutral over at UBS. And then American Express AXP downgraded to sell from neutral over at UBS as well. Now, taking a look at today's expectations, there's no major earnings due out, so instead we turn our focus over to the economic docket before the opening bell, 8:30 in the morning. We have the Chicago Fed National Activity Index. At the same time, right after the opening bell, 10 o'clock in the morning, we have May existing home sales figures. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500, that's turning up and that's in focus. The relative strength index, that's bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 30.60 are favored with targets at 31.15 and 31.44 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, that sees a rebound, while the Dow Jones this early morning continues to intraday see further advance.